Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. My name is Sapna Sangode, Assistant Professor, AISS MS, College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. I welcome you all for my today's practical session on identification of glassware. Introduction. Food and beverage service outlet use variety of glass for different types of drinks which call for a huge investment in delicate and fragile equipment. The style, quality and sparkle of glassware selected portray the profile of the restaurant. Types of glassware. There are basically two types of glassware, plain and cut glass. Plain glassware is preferred over cut glass as one can appreciate color and brilliance of the contents of the clear glassware. Parts of glassware. Glasses have any or all of the following parts. Three parts. First one is bowl, second one is base or food, and the third one is stain. Classification of glassware. There are basically three classifications of glassware. First one is tumbler. It is basically a bowl without stem or foot. And the next one is called as footed ware. The bowl sits directly on a base or foot without the stem. And the third one is stemware. Glasses that have all three parts which include bowl, base and stem. Here is an example of tumbler. You can see here in this picture all the tumblers. We can have old-fashioned glass, we can have highball glass and we can have juice glass. Next one is footed ware. Here is an example of footed ware, beer goblet and brandy balloon. Next one is stemware. Here in this you can see the image of red wine glass and the champagne flute. Here is a video of food and beverage service identifications of glassware practical. This is made for first year BHNCT and first year BSc HS. See here, this is the water goblet. You can see this is the top one is called as rim, the bowl and the stem. This is the three parts. Base also you can see here. The next glass we are going to show you. It is called as Tom Collin. Again it comes under the tumbler category. The next one is also comes under the tumbler category, that is called as highball glass. You can see the difference between highball and Tom Collin glass. Now there is the size, height, okay, you can have the difference. And then the pony tumbler, which is the short one. So it is pony tumbler, highball and Tom Collin glass. Next one you can see here, this is called as Pilsner, which is used for serving beer. The next one you can see here, this is called as beer goblet. You can see here in this picture beer goblet, again rim, then bowl, base, foot, okay. Next one is beer mug. Service for beer. And the next one I'll show you about the wine glass. Okay, This is white wine glass, you can see, and this one is red wine glass. See the difference between red wine glass and white wine glass. The bowl of red wine, again it is 3 parts, okay, and you can have see a stem and then the base. The next one you can see here, it is called as champagne flute, and this is called as champagne saucer. Champagne flute, again the 3 parts, base, ball and foot. Okay, same with the champagne saucer also. Now the next one I will show you about the glass which is called as martini glass, small and large one. With the same and the next one, this is called as margarita glass. And old fashioned, which is generally used for service of whiskey. Here you can see a brandy balloon, another name is snifter. Same I am showing you. And this is called as liqueur glass and shot glass. Liqueur glass 25 ml and this is a shot glass. Now here you can see the latte glass and tiki glass. Here you can see all types of varieties of glasses which is displayed on this. Thank you. Glasses and their capacity. Here we are talking about beer, which is a capacity of 10 to 12 ounce. Brandy balloon will have capacity of 8 to 10 ounce. Champagne will have 6 to 8 ounce. Cocktail glass will have 4.5 ounce. And the Collin glass will have 10 to 12 ounce. Highball glass, which is used for serving of water, will have 8 to 10 ounce. Liqueur glass will have 25 ml. Margarita glass will have 5 to 6 ounce. Cooler glass will have 15 to 16.5 ounce. Old fashioned glass will have 7 ounce. Rocks glasses will have 5 to 7 ounce. Sherry glass will have 3 ounce. And last one, wine glass will have 8 to 9 ounce. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any kind of query or question related with this practical video, please do contact me. Thank you. Have a great time.